Tokyo is a bustling and vibrant city that attracts millions of tourists each year. There are many reasons why people flock to Tokyo, including its rich history and culture, stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and countless shopping and entertainment options. One of the most popular tourist destinations in Tokyo is the historic district of Asakusa, which is home to the famous Senso-ji temple. This temple, which was founded in the 7th century, is one of the oldest and most important Buddhist temples in Tokyo. Visitors to Senso-ji can also explore the bustling Nakamise shopping street, which is lined with traditional shops selling souvenirs, snacks, and other goods. Another must-see attraction in Tokyo is the iconic Tokyo Tower, which offers stunning views of the city from its observation deck. Other popular landmarks in Tokyo include the Imperial Palace, the Meiji Shrine, and the Tsukiji Fish Market, which is the largest fish market in the world. Food lovers will also be delighted by the wide range of culinary options available in Tokyo. From traditional sushi and ramen to modern fusion cuisine, there is something to satisfy every palate. Tsukiji Fish Market is a great place to sample fresh seafood, while the district of Ginza is known for its high-end restaurants and luxury shopping. For those interested in modern Japanese culture, the district of Harajuku is a must-visit destination. This area is known for its unique street fashion, trendy shops, and colorful cafes. Nearby Shibuya is also a popular destination for its busy pedestrian crossing and shopping district. Overall, Tokyo offers a diverse range of attractions and experiences that make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Japanese culture, history, or cuisine.